Resource is the central abstraction of REST. A resource is created, maintained, and remain on a web service host machine. A resource is something that is accessible through HTTP. It is hosted in a web server. Each resource is identified using Uniform Resource Identifier, or known as URI. Practically, a resource may have hyperlinks to it. Resource must be web accessible. Since we put it into the web server, it is logical to access it using web. Each of the resources are identified with URI. They are resources with hyperlinks. Hyperlinks use URI to do the linking. And finally, resources are useful to the client when it has representation. The representation is referring to the MIME type such as text plain, text HTML, or application or text string.